Just a bit of a disclaimer, whānau. My camera at the moment is a little bit glitchy, so please bear in mind. Chur, my kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Today we have Te Wheke 2025. Today is our Saturday special. We don't usually post on Saturdays, but last night we had a banger live stream, broke some milestones, and I thought, you know what, we're gonna do a Saturday special. Today it was Te Wheke, because that's what the people wanted to see. Anyway, without further ado, whānau, let's get straight into it. Here's my bro Terrell. There he is. That's my Terrell. That's my bro, by the way. Eyeballs gleaming. Hey. Kapa tu te tau a taku ata. Koe a te rau I pakai te matangi. That's origin. That's origin. Taka peta peta na te manawa. Ki te toto ka huri nei a. Nei au e kapu ha ha ha. Cass, I want you to look me in my eyes and tell me that that was bad. Do it. Because then you know that you'll be lying to yourself. Tell me that I'm not biased. Because I'm not. This is peak. Continue. this is how they been moving, G. This is how they been moving. I'm not even a biased advocate. I'm just, this is how they been moving, G. Yeah, boys. Terrell, G. You're aura farming, G. I didn't like the more tiatia. It's too long, it's a little bit boring. Everything else though, from here on out, be prepared to be wowed. This one's for you ladies, the boy. Hey, even the jumper bar. Like the foot. Nice. Can't wait for Haka Tea. I don't like that, know that. Oi, we're gonna run that one back and we're gonna give you a second chance. Maybe my ears heard wrong, but it sounded like Te Wheke! I just had to be right. Oi. Wait for the Haka Tea, please. Please, just hurry up. Wanna see the Haka Tea. Te pū o te wheke when it comes to Haka Tea. Never have a bad rep, G, honestly. Whakaekes are always the meanest. Hakas are always the meanest. I don't think I've ever seen that in a Kapa Haka rōpū thing yet. A bracket. It's like, where's that coming from? Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. We gotta run the back. Gee, I almost started crying, but to be honest, I seen the guitarist there. So lucky, it was all good. But the amount of notes, the amount of notes and stuff that you could hear, just absolutely, bro, it was disgusting, Like, it was so good, it was disgusting, That was fire. Hold on. I'm sorry. This is a reaction video, but so I'm allowed to do whatever I want. But I was sitting at the bro and then I just happened to see sister wiping her tears out. I'm sorry, I had to point it out. Let me just go back like nothing happened. Peak. This is one of my favorite episodes, first place for the nationals. Judges, G. If this is how they move in 2025, wait till 2026. I'm telling you, predictions right now. Te Pua Te Wheke first place. Nah, I wish Te Pua Te Wheke was peak, G. The Waiata Āringa, G. Oh, that hit, G. Loki, that hit. It got me feeling some type of way, G. Especially seeing everyone else starting to cry, G. It's like, overall though, G, that's a solid 9.2. Camera's glitchy. You can't really see me. I'm glitching out everywhere. But if you enjoy more content like this, make sure to drop a comment, make sure to subscribe and all that good stuff. I'm so sorry my camera's bugging out, but that's just how life goes sometimes. So until next time.